YouTube. We're in Daytona. Welcome to our vacation. We got to our hotel last night. I didn't film much, but we're gonna go get breakfast at the hotel. Come with us. So today we went to the chocolate factory, got a bunch of chocolate to try, and then we went to a magic shop. It was really fun. We learned new magic from the magicians there, got a bunch of new card decks, really fucking cool, really cool shop. That was pretty much it. We went to Walmart to get some stuff for our beach date tomorrow. We're going to be spending a lot of time at the beach. We're about to go out to eat to a nice place, and then we're also going to go to Phantom Fireworks, get a bunch of fireworks for 4th of July to take home. I'll show you inside Phantom Fireworks. It's a huge fucking place. I'm going to show you what we get for dinner. We might, or I might, go in the pool at the hotel later. It's really beautiful here. It's not too hot either. I love it. Yeah, tomorrow will be a beach day, plus going to a really cool, what's the word? I'm blanking. Go-kart. That's what it is. A go-kart by the Daytona 500 racetrack. Ricky's really looking forward to that. And then beach. I think that's it. I really just want to hang out at the beach tomorrow. But yeah, that's been our day. I haven't really been recording myself. I've just been recording snippets because I think that's what I want this video to really be about. But I'll check in later. But yeah. Hope you're enjoying vacation just as much as I am, because I'm straight chillin'. But yeah. I'll show you Phantom Fireworks and what we get for dinner. just as a quick little thing, because I forgot to record this morning. Today is the beach day, so we're gonna be hanging out mostly at the beach. However, before we go to the beach, we are going to a really cool racetrack, and Ricky's gonna do some go-karting right next to, I don't really know what it's called, the Daytona 500 racetrack. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna take some really cool action shots with my camera and record a little bit, and then we're gonna go to a really cute golf course nearby that we saw while driving, just to do something fun. We like to go to golf courses, so. And then we're gonna go hang out at the beach for a long few hours, but that's what we're gonna do. Got my Red Bull. Come with us on this last full day, and we're gonna do some cool stuff. Okay, so we just got back from the beach. It was amazing. We are gonna quickly get ready. We were gonna leave tomorrow morning because we check out, but we think we're gonna leave tonight. And then maybe make it back home, because it only takes about 2 hours, maybe less, depending on how fast we're going, to make it back home. And maybe we can make it to a friend's 4th of July party tonight. So I'm gonna hop in the shower, get all the oceany stuff out, and make myself semi-presentable if we can make it. And yeah, that's an update. I'll see you soon.